Today, I would like to go over certain health insurance terms that might be confusing and try to help you demystify the health insurance terms. So let's get started. Let's start with understanding what the premium is. Well, the insurance premium is the amount you pay monthly for your health insurance plan. The cost will vary by person, and if your income is below 400% of the federal poverty level, you may receive subsidies from the government to reduce your cost. You pay your portion of the premium even if you don't use medical care that month. If you don't pay your portion of the premium, the policy is canceled. Doctors will want their money back, and you can't sign up again until next open enrollment period. The open enrollment is the window of time during which you can apply for health insurance or modify a plan to include your spouse and/or your children. Policyholders are unable to adjust their plan until the next open enrollment unless they experience a qualifying life event. This includes a marriage, divorce, birth of a child, changes to individual or household income, or interstate residence relocation. For year 2018, the open enrollment is November 1st, 2017 to December 15, 2017. However, if you are enrolling through Covered California, you might have until January 31st, 2018 to apply for health insurance. What is a penalty? If you can afford health insurance but choose not to buy it, you must pay a fee called the Individual Shared Responsibility Payment. The fee is sometimes called the penalty, fine, or individual mandate. Here's the penalty for year 2018. It is calculated in two different ways. First, as a percentage of your household income or per person. You'll pay whichever is higher. The fee is either 2.5% of your income or $695 per adult. What is a coinsurance? It's the amount you pay to share the cost of covered services after your deductible has been paid. The coinsurance rate is usually a percentage. For example, if the insurance company pays 80% of the claim, you pay the remaining, which is 20%. What is a copayment? A copayment is one of the ways you share in your medical costs. You pay a flat fee for certain medical expenses. For example, you pay $10 for every visit to the doctor while your insurance company pays the rest. The coinsurance and copayment is very often confused. Keep in mind, the coinsurance is usually a percentage and the copayment is a fixed dollar amount. What is a deductible? A deductible is the amount of money you must pay each year to cover eligible medical expenses before your insurance policy starts paying. However, not all services are subject to the deductible, so carefully look at the summary of benefits in order to see what is and what is not subject to deductible. This will save you lots of money and possibly paying for unnecessary high premiums. Out-of-pocket maximum. The out-of-pocket maximum is the most money you will pay during a year for coverage. It includes deductibles, co-payments, and coinsurance, but is in addition to your regular premiums. Beyond this amount, the insurance company will pay all the expenses for the remainder of the year. What is an HMO? An HMO is a health maintenance organization that provides comprehensive healthcare services for enrollees in a particular geographic area. HMOs require the use of specific in-network plan providers. For example, Kaiser is an HMO. You can only use your health plan at Kaiser, and you will need to select the primary care doctor and always get referrals to the specialists. PPO. A PPO is a preferred provider organization, is a health insurance plan that offers greater freedom of choice. Members of PPOs are free to receive care from both in-network and out-of-network providers, but will receive the highest level of benefits when they use providers inside the network. I highly advise anyone to check the network of doctors before signing up for a PPO plan. What is an EPO? EPO stands for Exclusive Provider Organization. It's a more restrictive type of preferred provider organization plan under which consumers must use providers from the specified network of physicians and hospitals to receive coverage. There is no coverage for care received from a non-network provider except in an emergency situation. Well, what is a network? A network is a group of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers that insurance companies contract with to provide services at a discounted rates. You will generally pay less for services received from providers in your network. In-network provider is a healthcare professional, hospital, or pharmacy that is part of a health plan's network or preferred providers. You will generally pay less for services received from in-network providers because they have negotiated a discount for their services in exchange for the insurance company sending more patients their way. Out-of-network provider is a healthcare professional, hospital, or pharmacy that is not part of a health plan's network of preferred providers. You will generally pay more for services received from out-of-network providers if you have a PPO plan, and you might not get any services covered out-of-network if you have an HMO plan. That's why it is very important to check your doctor's clinic or pharmacy before you sign up for a plan, obviously if you want to keep your doctors. Health Savings Account, or HSA. It's a personal savings account that allows participants to pay for medical expenses with pre-tax dollars. HSAs are designed to complement a special type of health insurance called an HSA qualified high-deductible health plan. High-deductible health plans typically offer lower monthly premiums than traditional health plans. With an HSA qualified high-deductible health plan, members can take the money they save on premiums and invest it in the HSA to pay for future qualified medical expenses. As always, thanks for watching, and please comment under the video in case you have a question. We love helping people and will respond ASAP. Love this video? Don't forget to share your happiness with your friends. And please support us by subscribing to our channel. Let's talk money. Hope to see you again.